Listen, stop lying to yourself. Stop telling yourself it's okay to cheat, to quit, to take the easy way out. You've been running from the truth your whole life. You think no one sees it, but every mirror, every reflection, every quiet moment is screaming at you. You owe what you've been avoiding, the pain, the work, the discipline you've been dodging. You say tomorrow, you say next week, you say someday. Stop it. Right now, you pay your debt. Every excuse you've whispered to yourself ends today. No more lies. You think you're tired? That fatigue is real? That's cute. You're not tired. You're soft. You've been pampering yourself in comfort while your potential rots. It's time to face it. The only thing standing between you and what you're capable of is the lie you tell yourself every single day. Music kicks in. Every second you waste lying, every second you justify your laziness, it's a strike against the life you could have lived. You were built for more than excuses, built for struggle, built for fight, built for rising while everyone else sleeps, and yet here you are, hiding. This is your wake-up call, your call to the battlefield you've been avoiding, your own weaknesses. The world doesn't owe you comfort. It doesn't owe you safety. It owes you nothing. You owe yourself accountability. You owe yourself suffering. You owe yourself the unbroken version of your soul. No more lies. Say it. Let it hit you. That phrase isn't a slogan. It's a mandate. It's a punch to your gut, a slap to your brain, a reminder that the debt is real and it's due. You versus you. That's the war. The man in the mirror doesn't lie. He doesn't negotiate. And until you face him, until you strip away the fake comforts and weak excuses, you'll never know what you're capable of. You think you're tired? You think the pain of getting up early, of pushing beyond what's comfortable, of grinding while everyone else sleeps is too much? Let me tell you something. You haven't even begun. The moment you stop whining, the moment you stop giving yourself breaks, the moment you decide to embrace the suffering, that's when the real work starts. Your comfort zone, that soft little cage you've built around yourself, it's killing you. Slowly, quietly. Every skipped run, every ignored cold shower, every time you let fear and doubt make the call, you're rotting inside. And the worst part, you're pretending it's okay. You're lying. Many-hook. Every truth you avoid is a weight on your back. Every lie you tell yourself, it's debt. And the longer you run, the more it grows. I remember days when my lungs burned like fire, when my legs shook so hard I thought they'd collapse, when the cold seeped into my bones and I wanted to quit. Every day I wanted to quit, but I didn't. Because the moment I accepted my pain, embraced the struggle, that's when I became more than myself. That's when I stopped lying. I ran in the dark. I ran in storms. I ran when no one else could. And every step was payment. Every step was a promise to myself, to the man I was becoming. You think you can avoid pain? You can't. But you can use it. You can let it forge you. Everything you fear, that's exactly where your strength lives. Every lie you tell yourself, that's exactly where your power hides. The world doesn't respect your dreams. They respect your discipline, your sweat, your will. Many-hook. Look at yourself. Look at the life you're begging for while running from what you need. Does it feel like enough? Does it feel real? No. Stop lying. Pay your debt. Run. Move. Suffer. Push. Repeat. Stop whining about, I can't. Stop crying about, I'm tired. Every muscle screaming, every lung burning. That's your life knocking, saying, stop hiding. Do your work. No more lies. No more excuses. Every day you dodge the pain, you become weaker. Every time you choose comfort over discipline, you're burying your potential. Run. Move. Suffer. Kill your comfort before it kills your potential. No more lies. Every rep, every mile, every step, it's payment. It's accountability. It's proving that you're not soft, that you're not weak, that you're beyond the excuses that have held you prisoner. Silence. Look in the mirror. Stare deep. Do you deserve the life you're asking for? Or is this just another fantasy, another lie you tell yourself to sleep at night? The truth hurts. It always does. But the truth is the only thing that sets you free. Mini hook. The man staring back at you isn't asking. He's demanding. Pay your debt or stay soft. Your choice. Your future self is watching. Every skipped workout, every excuse, every half-assed effort, he's watching and he's disappointed. But it's not too late. It's never too late. You were built for more. You were built for struggle, for discipline, for pain that transforms into power. Imagine standing at the edge of what you thought was possible and realizing you've only scratched the surface. That's where you're meant to be. That's where the debt pays off. Pain isn't punishment, it's investment. Sweat, suffering, sleepless mornings, cold showers, lonely runs, they're not obstacles, they're your tuition. And once you pay it, the life you've been dreaming of is waiting. Long pause. Breathe. Let it sink. Mini hook. Every excuse is a lie. Every lie, it's debt. Stop running. Face it. Pay it. This is your year. This is the moment. Every ounce of pain, every second of suffering you've avoided, every soft choice, you pay for it now. Turn that pain into power. Turn that discipline into dominance. Stop lying. Stop running. Stop hiding. You are more than this weak version you've been feeding. No more lies. Your potential isn't waiting. It's screaming. Your future self isn't asking. It's commanding. Rise, fight, grind, bleed, and prove that the debt is paid. Stay disciplined. Stay dangerous. Stay beyond the pain line. No more lies.